If you're encountering the stream key invalid error on Vimeo OTT, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your stream key. Ensure that you are using the correct stream key provided by Vimeo. Log into your Vimeo account, navigate to the live event settings, and copy the stream key again to avoid any typos. Step 2. Verify streaming software settings. Open your streaming software like OBS or Wirecast and confirm that the stream key is correctly entered in the settings. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters. Step 3. Confirm event status. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Restart your streaming software. Sometimes, simply restarting your streaming software can resolve connection issues. Close the application completely and then reopen it before trying to stream again. Step 5. Contact Vimeo support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Vimeo support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the stream key invalid error and get back to streaming on Vimeo OTT.